John Walsh? Cheryl, yes. Yeah. Mm-hmm. In fact, yeah, I'll see you soon at your place. Leaving right now. Bye. We take care of the clients in terms of we'll accommodate them. If it's easier to be at your house, if it's easier to meet you in the hospital, easier to meet after hours, we do it all the time.
Hello, Cheryl.
Hi, John.
Thank you.
We always meet wherever I decide that it's most convenient for me or my family members. Actually, I think I've only been inside of his law office once.
Part of what sets us apart is the fact that in injury cases, we are personally involved. One expression that's used about some injury lawyers is that they're true believers, meaning they're committed to their client. They believe in the civil justice system and the importance of it in taking care of injured people. And Mike Riley and I are both around town known as true believers.
My brother and his wife and her sister and brother were all up in Merrimack working on a boathouse.
It was dark late at night, and the river is spanned by a railroad bridge up at the Merrimack Ferry. And there's a whole series of footings for the railroad bridge.
That evening, they decided to get in the boat and go across the lake.
When the dam was built at Prairie du Sac, it raised the water level to the point where you could still take your boats in between all the footings except for one area.
He put the boat in forward and planed and brought it down and was going through and hit the bridge.
And the question was, how would he drive directly into that span? Why would that happen? So we decided we were going to have to go find out. I hired an engineer on nighttime visibility issues out of Michigan, and we took a boat out in the middle of the night and checked it out. And one of the things we realized is that on a dark night with no moon, when you look through the spans, you see the lights from the far side, so it looks like an open span. They drove right into the low span, and 3 people died.
I'm the oldest one in the family. It was sort of my responsibility to, what to do next. Even though I feel I'm a very competent person and I feel I'm in control, I really realized at this point that I had to find somebody that could focus on the legalities of this.
What I do is I say, let me worry about the legal part. You take care of then your family, or you take care of doctoring. I'll take the legal issue, I'll run with that. And then keep them advised of it, and they feel much better about the fact that someone has taken some of that stress out of their life.
And John was just fantastic. He came in and sort of took over and helped me not only with the legal end of things, but a lot of the personal little things as well. And the trust had developed and the friendship had developed, but the bottom line is the end result. And in the end, the kids did get some money that they could put away and would help them with their future, which it has. And the whole family was extremely pleased. We sort of felt justice was served.